And hello and what is up, friends? Today we're going to be transplanting these girls and setting them up in what is my opinion the best watering system that I have used since I got started growing about 6 years ago, and that is the Spider Farmer Wicking system with a 50-liter reservoir that you guys see over there. In my opinion, it's the best watering system because of the following. One, there's no timers. Two, no electric pumps and nothing electric whatsoever. Three, you could never overwater your plants, and that right there is definitely a huge key in why I like this system so much. I started with hand watering, but when I ran across this wicking style system, I even asked Spider Farmer if they would sell these individually because I wanted to place more inside of the tent. Can you imagine this tent with, let's say, 9 of these plants in here? I'll be doing a 10-day veg on every run, because actually these plants are not even 10 days old. Tomorrow, I believe they become 10 days old out of the cloner. So today we're a little bit early. We're gonna put them in 5-gallon fabric pots. I am using CO2, but I'm using the same strains, same genetics, same everything as I did the last run in order to compare how much do we really gain with using CO2. So I'm using the same light, which is the Spider Farmer GS 5000. The same 6-inch oscillating fan. Also, all the equipment is from Spider Farmer. 6-inch inline fan with carbon air filter, but I'm not using the carbon air filter again because I have the room and CO2 in here. I am using the GGS controller with the ppf meter and CO2 meter inside of this tent, so I know exactly what my ppf is, what my CO2 is, and I'm able to keep these plants super happy. But yeah, it's really easy. Once you have this kind of setup dialed in, it is so easy to grow these plants. And it's going to be even easier once we get them in the 5-gallon pots and put them in this system. I'm pretty much going to have to check on these plants once every 5 days, if so. And that's just to top off the reservoir over there on the side. But okay, friends, let's get right to it. Let's get these plants out of here. Let's take a look at them individually and see exactly what they look like, what we're working with. Also, the genetics are the same as last time. 2 Trico Jordans, 2 Chimeras. Which one's which, I don't really know now. I kind of fucked up there. 2 of these are Trico Jordans and 2 of these are Chimera, but which 2 I don't know until they're flower, so I'm kind of fucked there.
And when it comes to the grow medium that I'm using, it is Coco Core, and it does have perlite already in it. And when it comes to the nutrients, it is Front Row AG, which I have been using for a little bit over a year, and I am getting the best results I've ever gotten. I am feeding around 550 to 650 ppm and pH anywhere from 5.5 to 6.2.
And now that we know there's no leak and we could actually see the water level in the saucer before covering it, and I don't know why, but they look big already. I don't know if it's like an eye trick that just happened, and these don't even look like the same plants that I had in there. I don't know why they look so much bigger as soon as I put them in the 5-gallon pot, but they look small in the smaller pot. I don't get it. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. But okay, let's get these plants in this tent and check out how everything looks.
And guys, all the links and discount codes will be in the description below, just in case if you want to save a couple of McChickens on anything. And here you have it, friends. I did a little bit of super cropping on the plants just so that I could get an idea more or less of where they're going to be laying. Pretty soon, I say within 5 days, this tent is going to be probably ready to get trellis net and get these plants ready to flower. I'm super excited to see what I get out of this. I love using these kind of pots, so I would like to see the results with these pots and CO2, see what kind of results I get out of it. But okay, friends, I'm not going to take any more of your time because I want you to watch the rest of my videos. So until next time, this is Grass in Class signing out. Peace.